In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a WhatsApp link in Linktree. This is really useful if you want people to reach you or join your WhatsApp group directly from your Linktree profile. I'll walk you through each step slowly, and you can pause the video at any time to follow along on your own screen. First, open your browser and go to your Linktree admin or dashboard page. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can see your existing links and settings. This is the main area where you manage everything that appears on your public Linktree. Once you're on the dashboard, look for the option that says Add. This is usually near the section where all your current links are listed. Go ahead and click on Add. This tells Linktree that you want to create something new for your profile. Next, you'll see different types of things you can add. Choose Link. This is important because we're adding a specific WhatsApp link that your visitors can tap to be redirected to WhatsApp. After clicking Link, a search bar will appear where you can look for different link templates. In that search bar, type in WhatsApp. Linktree has built-in options that make it easier to connect your profile with WhatsApp. From the search results, click on WhatsApp Groups. This option is designed for sharing links to WhatsApp groups or chats. Selecting this template will create a new link block on your dashboard with fields tailored for WhatsApp. Now, click on the title area of this new link and give it a clear final title. For example, you might call it Join My WhatsApp Community or Chat with Us on WhatsApp. Make it descriptive so visitors know exactly what will happen when they tap it. Below the title, you'll see a field for the WhatsApp group URL. Paste or type your WhatsApp group link into this field. Make sure the URL is correct and complete so people are sent to the right place. If you're not sure about your link, it's a good idea to test it in a separate tab first. You'll then see an option to decide what happens when a visitor taps this link. Choose whether they get direct access to the WhatsApp group or if they need to sign up or provide some information first. Pick the option that matches how you want to manage access to your community. Finally, look for the toggle switch next to your new WhatsApp link. Click this toggle to turn it on. When the toggle is active, your WhatsApp link is live and visible on your public Linktree. At this point, you can preview your profile to double check how it looks and test the link from a visitor's perspective.